Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled Generative Adversarial Networks. GANs. The art forgers of AI. Most AI models you might have heard about are great at asterisk understanding, like telling you if an image has a cat, or translating text. But what if AI could create something entirely new? Imagine an AI that doesn't just identify a cat, but can draw a unique cat that has never existed before. That's the magic of generative AI. It's about AI learning to invent, imagine, and build from scratch. Why would we want AI to create? Think like a developer. Game studios need endless unique textures or virtual characters. Fashion designers want new patterns. Or imagine needing realistic training data for other AI models without using sensitive real-world information. The ability for AI to generate new content opens up a universe of possibilities for building innovative applications, moving beyond just analysis to true invention. So, how do we teach an AI to create something so convincing it's indistinguishable from reality? We set up a game. Think of it like a very talented art forger trying to fool an expert art critic. This isn't one AI working alone. It's a dynamic duo, locked in a clever contest. This ingenious setup is what we call a generative adversarial network, or GAN. This AI's entire purpose is to create fake data. If we're teaching it to make fake pictures of human faces, it starts by generating random noise, like a child scribbling. It doesn't know what a face looks like yet. Its mission is to get better and better at producing images that are so realistic they can fool our art critic. From a developer's perspective, you're designing this component to learn how to transform simple inputs into complex, structured outputs. This AI's job is the opposite: to tell the difference between real data, actual faces from our dataset, and fake data, faces made by the generator. It's the expert art critic, the detective. Initially, it's pretty good at spotting the generator's terrible fakes. Its goal is to become an unshakable expert, able to identify a fake no matter how good it is. As a developer, you're building this part as a highly accurate binary classifier, deciding real or fake. Here's where the magic and the adversarial part happens. They train in a continuous loop. 1. The generator creates a new fake image. 2. The discriminator is shown both real images from our original data and the generator's fake image. 3. The discriminator tries to correctly guess which images are real and which are fake. 4. If the discriminator guesses correctly, it gets smarter at detecting fakes. If it's fooled, meaning the generator created a good fake, then the generator gets smarter at creating even better fakes next time. This constant push and pull drives both eyes to improve until the generated fakes are almost impossible to distinguish from reality. Once trained, GANs are incredibly powerful tools for developers. They can generate hyper-realistic faces, create images of people who don't exist, art and style transfer, turn photos into paintings, or apply the artistic style of one image to another, image-to-image translation, convert sketches into realistic photos, or change seasons in an image, data augmentation, create more diverse training data for other AI models to learn from, making them more robust. For developers, understanding GANs means having the tools to build applications that bring imaginative concepts to life, from virtual worlds to unique digital content creation. While the art forger analogy brilliantly explains how GANs work, their impact extends far beyond just making fakes. They've sparked a revolution in AI's creative capabilities. As a developer, grasping the fundamentals of GANs opens up exciting avenues for building truly novel applications that can generate content, enhance existing data, and push the boundaries of what artificial intelligence can achieve. This is just the beginning of exploring the vast potential of generative AI. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.